Big cleaning brands do not want you to know this. For years, they have sold you bottles of toilet cleaner for $10 a piece, promising sparkling results, and for years, it barely worked. Today, that changes. I'm going to show you how a $2 pack of Alka-Seltzer can clean years of stubborn stains out of your toilet bowl in minutes without scrubbing until your arm hurts. This is not a gimmick. This is chemistry that big companies hope you never learn. Stay until the end because the last tip will shock you. Think about the last time you scrubbed your toilet. You got down on your knees. You sprayed that harsh blue cleaner. The smell burned your nose. You scrubbed, and those yellow rings did not move. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with this every single week. And what do? They give up. They call a cleaning service. Some people pay $70, $80, even $100 a month for someone else to deal with this problem. Others go further. They replace the entire toilet bowl because they think the stains are permanent, spending $200, $300 on a new one. All because nobody told them the truth. You have been buying bottle after bottle of cleaner. $15 here, $20 there, and at the end of the year, you have spent close to $200 on products that barely scratch the surface. Meanwhile, the stains keep coming back. Why? Because most cleaners are designed to smell strong and look powerful, not to actually dissolve mineral buildup. That blue color? That fresh scent? That is marketing, not cleaning power. And the companies know it. They count on you buying that same bottle month after month, year after year. So why does nobody talk about this? Let's go back. Back to the 1950s, when household cleaning products exploded onto the market. Big chemical companies realized something powerful. If they sold you a product that worked too well, too fast, too cheaply, you would only need to buy it once in a while. That is bad for business. What I'm about to show you is something pharmacists and chemists have quietly known for decades. The fizzing tablet sitting in your medicine cabinet, the one meant for upset stomachs, contains citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Together, they create a reaction so powerful, it breaks down mineral deposits on contact. They spent millions keeping this quiet, because if people knew a $2 product could replace a $10 bottle bought every single month, the math gets scary for them. Only 1% of people know this, and once you see it work, you will never look at toilet cleaner the same way again. Here it is, the secret weapon sitting in your bathroom drawer right now, Alka-Seltzer. This simple ingredient contains citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. When these two combine with water, they create carbon dioxide gas. That fizzing you see, that is not just for show. Those tiny bubbles get underneath grime, rust, and mineral stains and lift them away from the surface. It is the same principle used in professional descaling treatments. Professional plumbers charge $50 to $100 just to descale a toilet bowl. Some cleaning services charge $300 for a deep mineral treatment on bathroom fixtures. And what are they using? Often, a version of the exact same acidic reaction, just in a fancier bottle with a bigger price tag. 2 tablets of Alka-Seltzer cost less than $2. Compare that to a $300 professional treatment. Compare that to replacing a stained toilet bowl for $200 or more. Well, the math is not even close. This works because toilet stains are usually mineral deposits, calcium, rust, and limescale, built up from hard water over months or years. Regular cleaners are often too weak or too diluted to break that buildup. But the acidic fizzing reaction in Alka-Seltzer goes to work immediately, breaking the bond between the mineral stain and the porcelain. And the best part? You probably already have some in your house right now. First, drop 4 to 5 Alka-Seltzer tablets directly into the toilet bowl. Make sure the water level covers them completely. Then, let them sit. Do not touch anything yet. Give it 20 to 30 minutes. This is important. The longer it sits, the more the fizzing breaks down those stains. Next, while you wait, do not flush. Flushing too early washes away the reaction before it finishes working. This is the mistake most people make. Patience here makes all the difference. After 30 minutes, take your toilet brush and scrub gently in circular motions, focusing on the stained areas. You will notice the stains lifting almost instantly, much easier than before. Then flush once to rinse everything away. If stubborn stains remain, repeat the process with 4 more tablets, but this time let it sit for a full hour. For extra tough rust rings, add a 1/4 cup of white vinegar along with the tablets. The combination boosts the acidic power even more. One safety tip: never mix Alka-Seltzer with bleach-based cleaners. The combination can create harmful fumes. Always use it on its own or with vinegar only. Finally, for maintenance, repeat this process once every 2 weeks. This prevents new mineral buildup before it even starts, so you never face thick stains again. People who have tried this say the results feel unbelievable. One viewer said her toilet looked brand new for the first time in 3 years, after just one treatment. Another said he had been scrubbing the same rust ring for months, and it disappeared in under an hour. Before, the bowl looked yellow, dull, stained with rings that would not budge no matter how hard you scrubbed. After, bright white porcelain, like the day it was installed. And here is the part that really matters. When you do this every 2 weeks, those mineral deposits never get the chance to build up again. Some people report their toilets staying spotless for months at a time, with barely any effort. One person calculated they saved almost $800 over a year, money they used to spend on cleaning services and expensive bottled cleaners, all from a $2 pack of tablets sitting in a drawer. If this helped you, hit that like button right now. It tells me to keep digging up secrets like this. Subscribe, because next time I'm exposing another household item hiding in plain sight, one that can fix something in your kitchen you have been struggling with for years. And here is your final tip. Keep a box of Alka-Seltzer under your sink at all times. Use it on shower doors, faucets, even kitchen sinks, anywhere hard water leaves its mark. This cheap little tablet can replace half the cleaning products you own. You deserve a clean home without wasting money. Now go take back control of your bathroom.